Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today I'll be showing you how to rename a file while uploading, and I'll be using file system only. So I have shown you how to upload file in my previous video as well using file system. If you have watched that video, that's okay. Otherwise I'll be giving a quick summary of that video, what I have done in that video, so you can continue with this video as well. So that's the view I have created in my previous video. So here we can upload multiple files, and I'm also having DB that I'm using Laravel tutorial, and one table you can see file upload, that is just file name I'm taking. So now let's go through the code now. So in web.php you will be defining your root. So here you can see my base URL is going to register controller index function. In index function, I'm just loading my view, that is register here. In register file, you can see I'm having one form. You can see it's n-type multipart, and on submit, I'm calling one function. So in function, you can see I'm getting form data, and Ajax is there. So Ajax, we are sending to a URL. In web.php, you can see we are having one post URL that will be like submit function of it. So it will go to store function. So in store function, you can see first one I'm getting file, so that is input image. So let me show you in form. You can see my input name is input image. So that's what I'm getting here in my controller. So after that, has file is checking basically it's having any file or not. After that, I'm just getting the original name, and then I'm storing it in my disk, that is file upload. And last one is I am storing it in register, that is like my table file upload. Let me show you model now. In this you can see I'm giving table name, that is file upload, and fillable property, that file name needs to be there while inserting into my DB. Now at last, let me show you file system. So you can go and check in config file system. So here I have created one disk with file uploads. So this one you can see it will store in storage folder with file upload directory that it will create. So that's the quick summary what I have shown you in previous video. So now let's move forward with today's video, how to rename a file while uploading. So it's very simple, and let's get started with that. So I'm storing file in disk, that is file uploads. So after that, put method will not come. This will be changed with putFileAs function. So your first parameter will be like your directory. As I'm passing disk, that is already I'm passing my directory file upload. So here I will be passing it blank. So if you want to create a new directory inside your disk, then you can pass that directory name here. After that, pass file data, so that will be in files variable, so pass that. And third will be our file name. So I'm already getting original name, so let's get, so pass this file name variable there. So let's add some prefix to file name. So let's add a string, let's say file dash. You can change the name according to your requirement. So save it. Now let's go and check this in browser. So refresh and choose file. After that, click submit. Now let's check in DB. So refresh. Now you can see two more rows added with file prefix. Let's check in folder as well. So let's go to storage, and here you can see with prefix file there are two files uploaded. So that's how you can rename a file. It's very simple. Now let me show you one more thing to you, that is how you can get URL of your file from file system only. So let's create a variable to hold the file path. So let's say file list and take it as an array because we are having multiple file paths. So inside for loop, write file list, and I'm just right now passing file name, and I'm just going to return file list only. As right now I have not written anything to my Ajax, so right now just return. So just return file list. Now in file list, instead of file name, pass storage with disk file uploads, and after that I'll be passing URL function in which I'll be passing file name. So URL function will give me a path to that particular file. So let me show you in browser. So refresh, inspect, and go to network. Now choose file. So let's choose any file and then click submit. And now in network, check the response of it. So now you can see I have chosen two files. So I'm getting the URL of both the files. So now you can display these files using this URL. So you can use anywhere this URL. I've just shown you how you can get the URL. So I have shown you how to upload a file, how to rename while uploading, and how to fetch from the uploaded directory. So that's all in this video. If you have any doubt related to this topic, then you can comment down in the comment section. So thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.